Yes, good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications. Already we are in the process of addition, and now we are going to learn addition of tens. This is the continuation of the chapter addition, and we are going to learn addition of tens. First, find the sum of 20 and 30. 20 and 30. 20 plus 30. 20 equals 2 tens and 30 equals 3 tens. 2 plus 3. 3 numbers, 3 fingers after 2. 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens is equal to 50, we know, as 2 tens is equal to 20. 3 tens 30. 5 tens 50. So hence 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. Here I find the sum of 40 and 20. 40 equals 4 tens. 20, 2 tens. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Start counting after 4. 6 tens. So 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. 60 plus 30. 60 is 6 tens. 30 is 3 tens. 6 plus 3. 3 fingers after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. 9 tens equals 90. So 60 plus 30 equals 90. In this way you can count tens by adding. Now let us go with three numbers. Find the sum of 20, 40 and 10. 20, 40, 10. 20 is 2 tens. 40 is 4 tens. 10 is 1 ten. Now 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 tens. That is equal to 70. You can easily count 3 numbers like this. Sum of 40 plus 30 plus 20. 40 is 4 tens. 30 is 3 tens. 20 is 2 tens. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 tens, 90. So 40 plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 90. And let us find the sum by regrouping now. Find the sum by regrouping. Four plus 9 is equal to. This 4 can be written as 1 plus 3. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3 plus 9. That is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1 is 10, we know that. 3 plus 10 equals 13. So 4 plus 9 equals 13. Just we are regrouping and making into a 10 so that addition becomes easy. 8 plus 7 equals. This 8 is written as it is, and 7 can be written as 2 plus 5. And now 8 plus 2 plus 5. 8 plus 2. Take 2 fingers, 8 after. 9, 10. For that, 5 is added. 10 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In this way, numbers are regrouped and added, and you make a comfortable calculation to become 10, to get 10, so that addition becomes easy. Nine plus 3. This can be written as 9 plus 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. That is equal to 9 plus 1 plus 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2. 2 fingers after 10. 2 numbers after 10. 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. Yes, addition of 2-digit numbers by forward counting. 25 plus 6. 25 plus, then the first number is 25. We have to add 6 to this number 25. So, count 6 numbers after 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 6 numbers after 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. The number where we have stopped, that is the sum of 25 and 6. You need not write. If you count on your fingers, it's good, or else you can write on the paper or board. 37 plus 5. First number is 37. We are adding 5 to 8. So, count 5 numbers after 37. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. The last number is 42. You can count with your fingers. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 5 numbers after 37. The sum is 37 plus 5 equals 42. 56 plus 9. So the first number is 56. We have to count 9 numbers after 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 63, 64, 65. 9 after 56. Take 9 fingers. 9 after 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 9 fingers we have opened, and the last number is 65. That is the sum of 56 and 9. In this way, 2-digit numbers can be added by forward counting. Find the sum using number line. 13 plus 12. The first number is 13. So start from 13. Move 12 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number where you have stopped, that will be the sum of 13 and 12. That is equal to 25. In this way, you can add 2-digit numbers on the number line. Yes, children, let us go with addition of 2-digit numbers using expanded form. 45 plus 34. In 45, how many ones and how many tens are there? 4 tens plus 5 ones. 34. 3 tens plus 4 ones. Now, add these two. Always start adding from the ones place only. Never start from tens. 5 plus 4. 4 fingers after count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. And 4 tens plus 3 tens. 4 plus 3. 3 fingers after 4. 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. 7 tens plus 9 ones. 7 tens is 70 plus 9 ones is 9. 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. The sum is 79. Let us go with another problem. "56, 32. 5 tens, 6 ones. And 32, 3 tens plus 2 ones. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 fingers after 6, 7, 8. 8 ones plus 5 plus 3. 8. 3 fingers after 5. 6, 7, 8. 8 tens plus 8 ones. 8 tens is 8. 8 ones are 8. 80 plus 8 is equal to 88. The sum of 56 plus 32 is 88. In this way you can write the expanded form of each number and then you can add. And addition on 2-digit numbers on abacus. Same model on abacus. So, this is abacus and we have to write how many tens are there here? 4 tens plus 3 ones here, 43. And the next one is 2 tens. This is 2 tens and 6 ones. 6 plus 3 or 3 plus 6. 6 fingers count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. Plus 4 plus 2. 2 fingers after 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 6 tens plus 9 ones. 6 tens is 60 plus 9 ones is 9. The answer is 69. So 43 plus 26 is equal to 69. This is the first number and this is the second number. Count the number of beads in the tens and write here. Count the number of beads in the ones and write here. For the second number, count the number of beads in the tens and count the number of beads in the ones. Then you can easily add. In this way you can add 2-digit numbers on the abacus. Addition of 2-digit numbers, short method. Just count ones and tens without carrying. Ones, tens. Tens, ones, tens. Always start counting from the ones place only. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers, count after 6, 7, 8. And take 3 plus 5. Take 5 fingers, count after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 88. The sum of 36 and 52 is 88. 47 plus 30. 7 plus 0. So 0 means nothing. Nothing is added to 7. So it remains the same. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 3. Take 3 fingers, count after 4. 5, 6, 7. 77 is the sum of 47 and 30. 84 plus 15. 4 plus 5. Take 5 fingers after 4. Count after 4. Take 5 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 finger after 8, 9. 62 plus 37. So 2 plus 7. Take 7 fingers after, count after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3. 3 fingers after 6. 7, 8, 9. 99. So in this way, two-digit numbers can be added by adding ones and ones, tens and tens. Yes, children, we are going to learn word problems on addition. The keywords to find out whether a problem is on addition or not is we will have find the sum, find the total, how many are there in all, or how many are there all together. These are the keywords to find that is a problem is on addition. Sum, total, in all together. Now here the first problem for you. There are 36 boys and 22 girls in class 1. Find the total number of students in class 1. Total, that is addition. We have to add. First, what is given you have to write. Number of boys. How many boys are there? 36. Number of girls. 22. Now add this. 6 plus 2. 7, 8. 3 plus 2. 4, 5. Take 3 and count out. Take 2, count after 3. 4, 5. 58. Total number of students. Both boys and girls come under students. So total number of students is 58. Yes, here is another word problem for you. Vijay bought 15 apples and 27 oranges. How many fruits did Vijay buy in all? So he went to a shop, fruit market, and brought 15 apples, 27 oranges. How many fruits did Vijay buy in all? In all is the keyword that shows that is a problem on addition. Total, how many fruits he bought? Number of apples he bought 15. Number of oranges he bought 27. As it is total number of fruits we have to find, it is addition. So total number of fruits he brought. (15 plus 27). 5 plus 7. Oh, carry undadu kada. He brought 24 oranges and 15 apples. So 15 plus 24. 5 plus 4. Take 4 fingers, count after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 plus 2. 2 fingers after 1. 2, 3. So, how many fruits did he buy in all? Total number of fruits he bought is 39. So, in this way, you can use these word problems on addition in our daily life situations also. Yes, children, let us go with the properties of addition. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as the sum. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. And when two numbers are added in any order, the sum remains the same. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. If the order is changed also, the sum does not change. This property is known as order property. Group property. When two or more numbers are grouped in any order and added, the sum remains the same. 5 plus 1 plus 3. 5 plus 1 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 1 plus 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 3 plus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So if you change the order of these three numbers and add, the sum does not change. It remains the same. It is known as group property. Some step in there. Yes. Children, many problems are given from page number 94 to 105. You can fill in the exercises in the textbook and worksheets will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.